Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Igloo. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the better choice for your home or office. Both the Sweetcrispy and Igloo ice makers boast an impressive ice production capacity of up to 26 pounds per day. This means you can enjoy plenty of ice for your parties or daily use without worrying about running out. However, the way they achieve this capacity varies slightly, as we'll explore next. When it comes to speed, the Sweetcrispy ice maker takes the lead, producing 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo takes slightly longer, making 8 cubes in 7 to 8 minutes. This difference might seem small, but if you're in a hurry to serve drinks, it could make a difference. Both ice makers are designed to be portable and user-friendly. The Sweetcrispy features a modern design with a self-cleaning function, while the Igloo offers a compact and stylish look, complete with an ice scoop and basket. Depending on your aesthetic preferences and space, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Igloo ice makers have their strengths. The Sweetcrispy is faster and offers 2 ice sizes, while the Igloo is compact and stylish. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.